This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today we are going to be doing price action analysis for gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us analyze the current resistance and support and also the present trend of the price action. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for today. Today is Thursday, May 26th. Here we have lots of bank holidays. At 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news coming up for Canadian dollar. Again, high impacting news coming up for US dollar. 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news coming up for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider this economic calendar events also while deciding for your trade entry and exit. Let us start our analysis. I am in daily time frame now. As we already know, from the level of 2075, the price action went on a bearish retracement. Again, it tried to go on a bullish side and found resistance around the level of 1908. Then it retraced and took support on the previous support level. Again, it went on a bullish retracement. And again, when we look at the price action, now it is on a bearish retracement. While retracing also, it has not broken the previous lows. And currently we are noticing the price action to retrace on the bullish side. Whether it is going to continue its bullish trend or not, let us look at the current support and resistance levels in daily time frame. So this is the strong resistance and this is also one of the resistance, and here also we have one more resistance. When we look at the price action in the past, whenever the price action finds a strong resistance, it bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. Here also we have noticed price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal to gather enough momentum to go on a bullish trend. Here also we have noticed the price action to bounce back, then to continue its bullish trend. And currently when we notice the price action, we are noticing a bounce back happening from this previous resistance level. Whether the current trend is in a bullish trend or on a bearish retracement, we have to draw a trend line to analyze it. So from here the bullish trend has started and I am drawing a support line or the trend line over here, and we have noticed the shadow to be extending up to this level. So I have drawn one more support line over here. So if the price action comes on a bearish side also, the first level of support is going to be over here and next level of support is going to be over here. So currently the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line. So current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend. As long as this bullish channel pattern is not broken, the current trend of the price action is in a bullish side. But overall when we look at the price action, I am drawing one more resistance line from where the bearish trend reversal started. So currently the price action is in a retracement and it has bounced back from this support level. So as long as this resistance line is holding, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this support and resistance line. So these are all going to be the current resistance and support levels for the daily time frame. These values are only approximate value. We cannot expect the price action to bounce back exactly from the levels over here. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the past price action, previously the price action took resistance around the level of 1910, then it went on a bearish trend reversal. Again it broke this resistance line over here and it went on a bullish trend. So when we analyze the current trend of the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend. Now this level of 1867 is acting as a very strong resistance. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is in a retracement or it is consolidating within this support and resistance levels. So if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be 1829, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1910. Whether it is going to break this resistance level and continue its bullish trend, we cannot say it for now. I would not recommend you to make assumption on the direction of the price action. Wait for the price action to give a proper breakout and then enter into the trade in the direction it gives a breakout. It could be either on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. We have the daily time frame resistance and support levels in blue color boxes. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. I am drawing a resistance line in 30 minutes time frame. Here when we notice the price action, it went on a bullish trend and it couldn't break this resistance line and it started moving on a sideways. Retried to break this resistance line. Again it started moving on a sideways and couldn't break this resistance line, and also there was a higher time frame resistance level also. So it went on a bearish trend reversal to gather enough momentum. Currently it has taken support on the hourly time frame support line. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this resistance line or if the price action loses its bullish momentum and goes on a bearish retracement. But in 30 minutes time frame, as long as the price action is trading between this resistance line and the support line, it is on a bullish side trade. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this. So as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or support line, you can take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support line from the hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more resistance line or the trend line over here. Previously the price action went on a bearish trend reversal to retest on this support line or the trend line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So in 5 minutes time frame we have a resistance line over here. So if the price action goes on a bullish side retracement, we can expect it to retest on this resistance line. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to test the higher time frame resistance level of 1867. And if the price action doesn't break this resistance line, we can expect it to retrace and retest on this support line from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish side retracement to start in 5 minutes time frame. Overall, the price action in 5 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation within this resistance and support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.